At AI Skill Institute, TM, we start from the very basics so that anyone can understand the world of artificial intelligence. Think of this course as your first friendly step into AI, machine learning, and data science. No coding or technical background required. I guide you through each concept slowly, using real examples so everything feels practical, not overwhelming. You'll learn what these technologies are, how they work, and why they matter in everyday life. By the end, you'll have a strong foundation that prepares you for more advanced learning or even a future career in AI. www.aiskillinstitute.org. This course is specially designed for beginners who are just starting their learning journey. You don't need any coding skills or technical experience. We begin from the absolute basics. I guide you through each topic with simple, step-by-step learning modules that build your understanding gradually. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to change careers, this course fits perfectly. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to explore more advanced AI concepts. www.aiskillinstitute.org. In this part of the course, we begin by exploring the core concepts of artificial intelligence, so you understand what AI truly means. I explain how AI systems think, learn, and make decisions using data. Next, we move into machine learning, where you'll learn how computers improve their performance through examples. You'll see how ML models are trained, tested, and used in real applications. We then introduce the basics of data science, helping you understand how data is collected, cleaned, and analyzed. You'll learn why data is the fuel that powers all AI technologies. I also walk you through different types of AI models, from simple ones to more advanced systems. You'll get familiar with how these models are built step by step using clear workflows. Each concept is explained with practical examples so you can easily connect theory to real-world use. By the end, you'll have a strong foundation that prepares you for deeper learning in AI and its related fields.
AI plays a powerful role in healthcare, helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud, analyze risks, and make smarter investment decisions. Within retail and e-commerce, AI improves customer experience through recommendations, chatbots, and personalized shopping. In manufacturing and automation, AI helps machines work more efficiently, predict equipment failures, and streamline production. The education sector uses AI to create personalized learning paths so every student can learn at their own pace. Across all these fields, AI helps solve real problems and make smarter decisions. I show you how each industry uses AI with simple examples you can easily understand. You'll see how AI is already a part of everyday life, often without us noticing. These examples help you connect technical concepts to real-world impact. By learning this, you'll understand how AI creates opportunities in many different careers. Responsible use of AI. Always apply AI in ways that are ethical, safe, and beneficial to society. Bias and fairness. Understand that AI systems can inherit human biases and work to ensure decisions are fair and unbiased. Transparency and accountability. Be clear about how AI makes decisions and take responsibility for its outcomes. Privacy and data protection. Safeguard personal and sensitive data used by AI to maintain trust and comply with laws. Together, these principles guide ethical AI development and build confidence in AI applications.
Chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant use natural language processing, NLP, a subfield of AI, to understand human speech or text and perform tasks. They rely on AI to parse intent and generate human-like, context-aware responses, automating customer service and information retrieval. 3. Recommendation systems power platforms like Netflix and Amazon, using algorithms to predict a user's preference for an item based on past behavior and other user data. These systems often employ collaborative filtering or content-based methods to personalize user experience and drive engagement. Fraud detection utilizes AI to analyze vast numbers of transactions in real time, looking for anomalies and patterns indicative of fraudulent activity. Machine learning models are trained on historical data to classify new transactions as legitimate or potentially fraudulent with high accuracy. Predictive analytics is the use of statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to predict future outcomes. This is used across sectors for everything from predicting equipment failure to forecasting stock prices or patient risk. Autonomous systems encompass self-driving cars, drones, and robotic manufacturing arms that operate and make decisions with minimal human intervention. These systems integrate multiple AI components, including computer vision and reinforcement learning, to perceive the environment and safely navigate complex situations.
Simple and easy-to-understand explanations are paramount in foundational training. The curriculum must demystify complex AI concepts, such as machine learning algorithms and neural networks, using accessible language. This approach ensures that students with diverse backgrounds can grasp the core principles without getting lost in overly technical jargon. Practical examples and cases are essential for bridging the gap between theory and real-world application. Learning how AI is used in actual business scenarios like healthcare diagnostics or financial modeling solidifies understanding and relevance. The certification provides a crucial foundation for advanced AI certifications and specialization tracks. By mastering the basics of data preparation, model training, and ethical AI, students are well prepared for deeper dives into fields like computer vision or deep learning. A valuable certification is recognized by industry professionals, signaling to employers that the holder has a verified level of foundational knowledge. This recognition often means the curriculum aligns with current industry best practices and skills demanded in the job market. Ultimately, these features combine to offer a clear, relevant, and credible starting point for a successful career in the growing field of artificial intelligence.
Thank you for considering the AI Skill Institute TM to start your journey in artificial intelligence as we wrap up this overview of our Foundation Certificate program. www.aiskillinstitute.org.
We look forward to helping you unlock your potential in this rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence with our beginner-friendly, comprehensive Foundation Certificate. www.aiskillinstitute.org.